today we have something new for you. We got the first prototype print of the extra material for Space Kraken, starting with the art book. This is the test print a German company does, and I have already quotes of many manufacturers for those extra books, but I come to that point later on. So this is just reviewing the material. So the art book have full cover illustrations of all artworks of the book. Everything what is awesome is inside this book as well. Let's just go through it quite fast, as well as from expansions. These are the parasites from the species compendium, from a new species, some artwork as well. We have the monster illustrations, creatures from hell, with some Kickstarter unlock. We have Grace, everybody here, some wide format illustration, the crew, even including crew who is real. This person is real. This two children as well. She not. And the Wombat Combat. One of my favorite illustrations from the Crazy Maneuvers expansion. The art book. And then we have 3 books. Crazy Maneuvers, Worlds Compendium, and Species Compendium. And the thing, what I think we're going to do is using a brochure variant of binding. So we have some wire binding here. So the book stays flat, way more easier. We already have this issue with the first print of the Crazy Maneuvers book. We can also do some soft cover, like we tried it here. This is some glue binding. But the issue is it works well, but as you see, it not remain that flat. Of course, you can bend it like that, and then it stays like that as well. Probably we need to go for the higher page numbers, for 100 pages and so on, for soft cover binding. It works. It depends what the Chinese company can do as well. The German company also did for the Species Compendium as test. This is a 115 page book, around more. Did this, you can see it here, not a soft cover, it's a brochure as well. You see it here. So this is laying flat more easily as well. And have in the center, where it is here, you see the metal wire here connecting the sheets. It's on the limit for the page count to bind it like that, but it worked. So yeah, well, there's some detail what I have to decide what we use, what binding technology, soft cover or brochure like to better handling here. And about the book here, we have the parasite sides. In the front you have all the regular creatures with a lot of fluff text. And yeah, at the end, the parasites with the special rules. And the Species Compendium, the Crazy Maneuvers, I already showed once, I guess, with all the crazy extra rules from predefined heroes, from guild missions, a lot of special rules enhancement. And this book was the Worlds Companion, the newest one, the book I written last, with a entire star map where you can fly around. You have a start point with a start mission, but then you can move freely. And depending on to which location you fly, let's say you fly to Raki, you go here and search for the location. And then you can make decisions and things happen. You can come here again and something different happen and so on. And it's the entire story is location based. Yeah. And at the end, something more. Close the end. Now it's a little hard to hold open here. We have colony. We have here a colony sheet. So you can build up your own colony with factories, defense, and armories, and so on. You can use it to to create own items, unique items and weapons with your factories. And of course, you have a ton of events here. Every turn, some events happen, and it can be good for your colony, it can be bad. Maybe your crew have to fly there and help, and everything influence everything else in the game as usual. And yeah, we have get some colony campaign score as well. If your colony survive, you get extra points. This is a die rolling game included in the story. Check your 8. And yeah, this is the World's Compendium. So we have the three extra books, expansion books. We have the art book. What I did not have as test sample, because it's quite simple, is the notepad. This is a A5 format, so half size of this book, just a notepad with the Space Kraken cover and then blank pages where you can make notes. And just in short, this is the Armistice. Nothing much special. It was some late update, not like Playboy. It's really not just for adults. It's just some fun artworks with hot and sexy crew, but nothing really. But it's just for adults. It's just some fun illustrations. Yeah, nothing more like that. The alien version of a Playboy magazine, and with a little wrong print here. This illustration here should be, of course, the backside. Yeah. Okay, now we have our books. This is just a video to show the where I first time take a look at the books. To be honest, I first recorded the German version a few minutes ago, and now the English version. And soon I make a video or a written text about the progress of the quotes and when to we can get started with the production. I have quotes of a lot of different manufacturers all over the world, here from Germany, from China, even from USA. And yeah, about this I talk soon in the video, and I guess I connect both videos together then, so you can watch both at once. So bye bye.